Pierogi are traditional Polish dumplings that are typically filled with potatoes, cheese, sauerkraut, or meat, and then boiled or fried. Here is a recipe to make pierogi. Ingredients: for the dough, 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1/2 cup water. For the filling, 2 cups mashed potatoes, 1/2 cup grated cheese, such as cheddar or farmer's cheese, salt and pepper, to taste optional, fried onions or bacon bits. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Make a well in the center and add the egg and water. Mix well until the dough comes together. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the filling by mixing the mashed potatoes and grated cheese in a bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste, and stir in some fried onions or bacon bits if desired. On a floured surface, roll out the dough to about 1/8 inch thickness. Cut out circles with a biscuit cutter or the rim of a glass, about 3 inches in diameter. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each dough circle. Fold the dough over the filling to create a half-moon shape, and pinch the edges together to seal. You can also use a fork to crimp the edges for a decorative touch. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pierogi in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they float to the top of the water. Using a slotted spoon, remove the pierogi from the pot and transfer them to a plate. You can serve them boiled or fry them in butter until they are golden brown on both sides. Serve hot with sour cream, additional fried onions or bacon bits, and chopped fresh herbs if desired. Enjoy your delicious homemade pierogi.